What's up, guys? Alright, so today is day 7 of our raw vegan challenge, and today we're going to be sharing our raw vegan Father's Day cookout plate.
Woo!
Yeah! Now, if you're new here, we are a vegan family of 8. We have 6 kids and we've been vegan for 5 years. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're not new here and you're excited to continue this raw vegan journey with us, go ahead and hit that like button. Now, we tease this plate on our Instagram, so if you're not following us there, go ahead and follow now. Now, if you want to see what we ate on the first 6 days of our raw vegan challenge, go ahead and check out this playlist here. This playlist also has our raw vegan haul with all of the items that we use for the recipes from this week. It also has our 5 tips on how to go raw vegan, as well as the app that we use to track our nutrition. Now, when you check out that playlist, you're going to see that we showed you what we had for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and all the snacks in between, but we won't be doing that today. Now, when you guys are watching this, it's going to be Father's Day, so we figured we'd do things a little differently today. We're going to show you how you can turn these veggies into this Father's Day cookout plate. Now, Chris had a vision of putting together all of my favorite cookout items into one plate, but making it raw vegan. And if you're watching this video, it's because you did it again. Chris, you did it again. So let's head inside and we'll show you how we made fried rice, curried potato and chicken, potato salad, and mac and cheese. Oh yeah. So if y'all are ready, because I know I'm ready, Chris is ready.
I'm ready.
We're about to go inside and get this cookout started, y'all.
Our neighbor has a bonfire going, so we're gonna have to sexy walk past that bonfire footage. So
It's gonna be a little hot.
it's gonna be sexy, hot and sexy. It's gonna be hot and sexy.
Alright guys, it's almost there. We just need to add a little bit of some agave, some more paprika, and some more maple seasoning.
Alright, so next you want to take the barbecue sauce and strain it. Alright, so the reason I choose to do this is so that I get to control how thick the final product ends up being, because I don't want it to be thick and clumpy. I want it to be like we see down here.
Smooth.
Yeah, nice and smooth. And so once I have it,
You can smother them ribs.
exactly. So yeah, so I just added a little bit more agave, a little bit more garlic, and a little bit more paprika. This really helps to push that smoky
Yeah.
taste. I'll do a tiny bit more onion and cilantro.
Looking good, that's smelling good.
That is raw barbecue sauce.
That's the one.
Then you want to take your portobello mushrooms, put them in a Ziploc bag.
Make sure you keep them whole too, don't cut them.
Yeah.
Get that rib effect.
Season them up. I have just some onion powder, some garlic powder, and then just a little bit of this Cajun seasoning. And then we're just going to put a little drop of grapeseed oil to help get those spices marinated in. We choose grapeseed oil, and this is the brand that we like. We choose grapeseed oil because it doesn't have much of a flavor, so it's not going to overpower. All right, and you want to just massage it very gently so that they pretty much stay intact.
Yeah.
To give that rib effect.
Yeah, you don't want to break them. They're very tender.
Yes.
Some tender ribs fall off the bone.
You are way too excited about this. So then we take that barbecue sauce and we just...
Ooh, look at that. Party now starting. Alright, when you're done gently massaging it, it should look something like this. And just put that to the side to marinate.
Marinate. Now next we're preparing the mayo for the potato salad. So this is just some vegan mayo, and we're just gonna add a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of garlic, and a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. And a tiny drizzle of agave for that nice little sweetness. Just a little. Then we're going to put a small drop of beet juice that we juiced in the juicer to give it that nice pretty purple color.
It's cute.
Yeah. Yeah, my grandmother used to make potato salad like this, and then one time I made it for my husband, and he was like, "Oh, it's cute."
Oh, it's cute. It's tasty and it's cute.
It's cute. And you can control how red it ends up being. I want it really pretty red and not in the bowl. Next, I added some cilantro, and I'm just adding a little bit more mayo. That one decided to be a little rebel.
No, you're not taking me.
This is zucchini that has been peeled and diced, and we're going to use that like the potato in the potato salad. And then we're going to add some carrots and then a little bit of celery. Then we're going to fold that in.
Mix it in for that festive look.
Yeah, we wanted the plate to like really strike a nerve. All right, so that's pretty much the final product. Once it's in the plate, we're gonna add some paprika and some cilantro. But flavor-wise, it's where I want it to be, and looks like potato salad, smells like potato salad, tastes like potato salad. All right, and this is the final product. It will soften up the longer you keep it in there. So let it marinate, and you're good to go.
All right.
All right, so now I'm making the base for both the curry and also the cook-up rice. So I'm putting a little bit of cilantro, some garlic, some onion powder, and a couple shakes of turmeric, and then blend it. All right, so this is the base color that I'm looking for. I'm gonna use this for the cilantro lime rice. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit of this with a squeeze of lime.
Smells seasoned.
I'm gonna mix it, add my cauliflower to it. Then I'm gonna add the peppers and onions that I wanna go in that rice.
Ooh, them peppers smell good in there.
Then we're gonna add the cauliflower rice, which I bought pre-cut cauliflower rice.
Yeah, if you guys want, you can, buy a regular cauliflower, put it in the food processor. But this is just a little easier and quicker.
Yeah. And then you're just gonna fold this over, and what you're gonna see happening is that yellow from the turmeric is gonna start giving your cook-up rice that nice yellow color that you're looking for. All right, so once this is all mixed the way that you want it to be, and you taste it and make sure that it tastes the flavor that you want, then now if you have some reusable bags, obviously use those.
Guys, if you smell this, you'd be ready to eat it right now. Never mind the plate. Never mind getting the plate ready. It's time to eat right now.
Yeah. All right, so
you got your food, your bag, your seasonings.
so we got our rice there, and I'm gonna just do one last squeeze of lime to really bring out that freshness. But yeah,
food, seasoning, Ziploc bag. Say it with me. Food, seasoning, Ziploc bag. Guys, as I say all the time, this is always about the seasoning. You think it needs a little salt? Put a little salt. You think it's good to go as it is? It's good to go. This is something for you to enjoy, All
right, guys, so once it's seasoned to just the way you like it, now that you have your fried rice, you set that to the side to marinate. All right, so I poured out from the base of the curry sauce. I'm adding some cashews to it, and then I'm going to blend that together. All right, so then I just added it to this small container so I can control anything else that I want to add. I just added a little bit more salt and a squeeze of lime.
Yeah, it's good, y'all.
Let me taste it. Oops. Oh.
It's like, hey, let me get in there.
All right, guys, so now I'm just adding it in little by little to our potato and chicken, quote unquote, which I've already seasoned with some onions, some peppers, some onion powder, garlic powder. Yeah, so this is our chicken and potato here. Should we put more?
Of course.
More chicken and potato?
It's never enough.
So I just added some more chicken and some more potato. I'm gonna fold this all together, make sure it's nicely coated, and then we are gonna let this sit and marinate, guys. That's where the magic happens. The magic is in the marinating.
Oh yeah.
Using your meat for the week.
I'm ready. See, I got some of that sauce taste on my mouth now. I'm ready to eat now.
Nah. Gotta season this up.
You're lucky I got other stuff that I can eat right now.
You're lucky. All right, so I'm gonna just let this sit in there for a couple hours. Then we are gonna come back to it and plate everything up because that was the last thing.
All right, guys, it's the moment I've been waiting for. Never mind, I've been waiting for this moment right here.
All right, walk us through it. Walk us through it.
So you got your fried rice, you got your avocado, your mac and cheese, you got your tater salad, you got your ribs, and you got your curry potato and rice.
That's the curry chicken and potato on top of some cauliflower rice.
Let's get it.
All right.
I'm ready. I'm digging right in and get some mac and cheese and some ribs. Mm-hmm.
Get a little bit of everything.
That fried rice is fire.
Is it?
Tater salad with some ribs.
They said it couldn't be done.
All right, let's get some of this curry in.
Curry goat. That's not curry goat. It's not curry goat. Yeah? Yeah?
Yes.
Who's the star of the show? Is there a star of the show?
I don't think there is.
What?
I don't think there is because they all have their own unique flavor. But they all go so well together.
Yeah. It smells amazing. I haven't even eaten any yet. I mean, it's not really for me, guys.
Yeah, this is me right here.
That's all you?
I'll give you a little taste.
No, it's for you. You enjoy that. I know that's something that you said you wanted. So that look on your face, that's everything.
Chris, you did it again. All right, guys, that was it. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day.
Don't forget to wish Waylon Happy Father's Day in the comment section below.
Leave a comment below. Happy Father's Day.
Father of 6.
I really appreciate it. I appreciate it already.
Happy He's the greatest father on the face of the earth.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
He's my favorite person.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that too.
In the whole world.
In the whole world?
You done know that.
Chris, you did it again. As always, don't forget to drink your almond milk and zip up your coat. Drink your almond milk. Father's Day. Zip up your coat and Father's Day.
Yeah. Oh. On the Father's Day swag. Oh, some extra shit for Father's Day. Some extra shit for Father's Day.